here. So, how's everyone been doing? I hope everyone's been doing great. I'm using my Chromebook's built-in microphone, so it's going to sound like crap. So, with all my experimentations with Chrome OS on a Chromebook, the question came to me: what can you install via the Linux terminal and stuff? Well, some things do not want to install. That would include Firefox. But I got another web browser to install, and I did some other programs. I removed some programs because they ran kind of flaky. So I just been installing programs, see which one's going to run properly and which one's not going to run properly. Now, I got a really interesting question that was asked to me. And that was, can you run any other browser on Chrome OS? Well, yes, you can, because you can come over here to Google Play and you can type in, go to here, apps, and look, you can download Firefox. And a whole lot more. But there's Opera, there's Brave, you name it. There's so much you can install, right? So if I was to type in web browser, now you have to realize these are all mobile and tablet web browsers, okay? And look, there's a whole plethora for you guys to download, right? So anyways, there's that, right? So basically I just installed one. For you guys. Whoops. And it's Firefox Focus. A very simple web browser, right? So it's a mobile, you know. And it's going to load the mobile site. Okay. And you can always turn it to desktop mode if you want it to. It's a very basic browser. Lightweight browser. No extensions. There's absolutely no extensions, right? So that's the thing. There's no extensions, but look, it's kind of slow on loading desktop applications. So with that being said, I'm going to type in a link here, or try to copy a link and show you guys really quickly here. By the way, this is going to my channel, and your mileage may vary because this is Android. This is an Android app. It's made for tablets, right? So and it's laggy. Doesn't want to stay playing either. There it goes. It gets off to a slow start. And I got my headset on, so you're probably going to hear no audio. Scrolling is not very good either. This is made for touch, right? So the fact that it's trying to scroll. All right. Now let's go on to a Linux app. This is a Linux application. All right, so I've been trying to get the Brave browser to launch And now it only worked one time. And now it keeps crashing. Sorry, I'm getting tired. My medication is kicking in, so let's try to restart Linux and we'll go from there. Did, need I remind you your mileage may vary on a lot of you know, Linux apps that run on Chromebook? Yeah. This is not the top of the line Chromebook. I got the exact same thing. I got the exact same thing when running another application. Alright, this is a better try. This is a lot better try. Try number 544. So, okay, we're going to load up the tubes of you. I mean, YouTube. And, yeah. Get ready because this is what loading YouTube would feel like if you're on 56K dial-up speeds. Incredibly slow, and I think that has to do with because it's running in a virtual Linux machine on top of Chrome OS, which is never ideal, but this gave me some painful flashbacks to dial-up internet, that is for sure. Going to my YouTube channel at incredibly slow speeds, for some reason or another. Welcome to Beautiful Angel Blossom's YouTube channel page on a browser that's slow as dial-up. Yeah, look, your mileage may vary. You might get a better experience on a higher-end Chromebook, but also I have fiber internet. This laptop gets pretty decent speeds, so there's no way that this thing should be loading it that slow. And also, YouTube videos completely lag on here. I mean, the lag is very, very, very real. And we're just going to load up another video here. See how long it takes to do this video. Wow. There it goes. Get ready for some incredibly low frame rates on the video. Look at this. Look at the lag. Look at the video. This. Uh-oh. Okay, let's change speeds really quick, right? Oh no. I think it's gonna break. Changing quality may crash the browser, people. This is a horrible experience. Now we're going to load up the MSN homepage, see how long it takes it to load. I expected no difference, but it's still incredibly slow. And Jimmy Carter is living a long life. Sad that he's now in hospice care. 98 years old. There's an accomplishment. Alright, let's go to speedtest.net, shall we? And let's check the speeds. At least the Bing search worked fast. Kind of. This is about as bad as a crappy A. Crappy O, crappy A, crappy, 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 crappy A. Get ready because the browser crashed. It couldn't do the upload test. Every time I run this, it crashes. And I want you to check this out. Look at the lag. There's absolutely no way that that's the speeds I'm getting. Actually, to be honest, I'm getting like 400 down on the Chromebook. Something is very limited by this virtual machine, and like clockwork, it's locked up. Yeah, a horrible experience trying to run a browser on the Linux virtual machine on Chrome OS. Not a good experience whatsoever. If you're using an older Chromebook, well, you're not going to get no more updates. So, best bet is to try to find an up-to-date operating system that can run on these things. So, yeah. So, if you can find an up-to-date browser that works with the Linux subsystem on here, then that's awesome. If you can find one that you like that's an Android browser, that's awesome too. But anyways, I'm Angel. Take care, everybody. Peace, love, and hugs, and be kind to each other. I love you all.